Every morning, tell yourself, today is going to be a good day. Positivity attracts positivity, like a magnet. The brighter we shine, the more good things we attract. Your perception of the world is largely shaped by the quality of your thoughts. If you start your day on a negative note, minor hiccups may feel more like disasters. A spilled coffee or traffic jam can make you feel like a victim of your own thoughts. By reshaping your mindset, you can reframe your perspective, turning setbacks into opportunities for patience.